It will be right here at the First District Court of Appeal, where Charlie Adelson's attorneys will present their arguments and push for a new trial. I'm Mayor Sargent, your neighborhood reporter in Southeast Tallahassee. This comes almost 2.5 years since Adelson was convicted for first-degree murder, solicitation and conspiracy for the 2014 murder of FSU law professor Dan Markell. Charlie Adelson's attorneys Michael Ufferman and Laurel Cornell Niles and the state will present their case for and against Adelson's appeal Tuesday. Adelson is currently serving life in prison for the murder of FSU law professor Dan Markell. Per the docket, Adelson's attorneys are seeking a new trial, something that Dan Markell's friend Jared Ross tells me he believes is a long shot. Does that lessen the nerves or the apprehension going into the day?
I don't think it lessens it. I mean, anytime that the court grants an oral argument, you have to be concerned that the appeal could go the opposite direction that you want it to.
But Ross says he has the utmost confidence in the state.
I know that the state has the facts on their side, and they also have the conviction on their side. It's very difficult to get a conviction overturned.
I asked criminal defense attorney Tim Jansen how easy it is to have a case overturned. He says only about 22 cases were overturned last year.
So the chances of getting overturned are very rare, very rare. So they got a really uphill, you're pushing a big rock up a hill.
Main arguments for the appellant's new trial include issues with the trial court denying motion for a change of venue, excluding defense proffered text messages, and denying the motion to strike the veneer panel after several potential jurors were said to be discussing the case. Jansen says he believes that's their strongest argument. Yet, still, he says, chances are slim.
Michael Ufferman's a brilliant lawyer, but he's subject to the ingredients he's given. They almost have to prove not only did the judge do wrong, but the verdict would have been different had the judge not done that.
While Charlie Adelson himself will not be present Tuesday, his attorneys of course will be, and ahead of his appeal, a representative for one of his attorneys, Michael Ufferman, sent us this statement which reads, "This is an active and highly sensitive case, and at this time we're not able to participate in any interviews or discussions regarding this matter." Now, oral arguments are set to begin at 10 a.m. on Tuesday morning, right here at the First DCA. In Southeast Tallahassee, Mayor Sargent, ABC 27.